it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So first of all, I have a tutorial for this top. I'll link it below. So you saw the title. How on earth did I get Hobby Lobby yarn shipped into Canada to my home address? Wow, let me tell you. Now this video may be a little long because I'm going to go into some detail here. Okay, so first of all, I want to give credit to Lori Hooks, and I'm going to link her below. I found out about this from her. She lives in Canada. She ordered Hobby Lobby yarn and she got it. I think she got it. She got it. And she lives in Canada. Okay, so there is a company, and you may have heard of them. There's a few of them. This one's called Shippsy. And what they do is, if you order something from the United States, they will go across the border and get it for you and bring it to Canada. All right, so how does that work? Well, first of all, you need to go to the Shippsy website, and I'll have that linked below. They're located in Canada. They have a couple of locations. There's one in Ontario. There's one in British Columbia. And I think there's another one somewhere. Okay, so what you do is you go to their site, you sign up, make an account, and then they'll give you a box number and a US address where they have their location in the United States. So what you do is you go on Hobby Lobby website, you put whatever you want to buy in your cart, whatever. Like with me, it was just yarn, so I know yarn will come across the border. So I put some yarn in there, and then when you go to checkout, it asks you for the mailing address. That's when you put in the box number, the complete address that Shippsy gives you. Now, when they gave me the address, I screenshot it so that it's in my phone, in my gallery for easy access, okay? And Hobby Lobby will ask you your payment method. I paid by credit card, and then it asks you for your shipping address, like normal, you know, for or the address that's connected to your credit card or associated with your credit card. So you just put your Canadian mailing address in there. It asks for a phone number. You just put your Canadian phone number in there. Okay, now, when you hit up Hobby Lobby, you want to make sure you get them on their 30% off. If you're ordering yarn, 30% off all yarn and free shipping to anywhere in the contiguous United States is where they ship, okay? You want to make sure you are signed up to Hobby Lobby's emails so that you'll be notified when they have 30% off yarn and free shipping. All right, so it didn't cost me anything to have it shipped from Hobby Lobby to the Shippsy US location. Then what Shippsy does is they will send you an email and tell you you have something at your box number at their US location, and then you give them the information they ask for. Now, whenever we order something online, we get an email saying thank you for your order, and then an email that says your order's been shipped. What I did was took screenshots of those so that I had them in my phone readily available again, so I don't have to flip through all my emails. And then Shippsy will ask you what is the item that arrived at your box number, the value of it, you know, everything you need to get it across the US border into Canada. Now, I said the item was yarn, and I ordered 4 different kinds of yarns. 3 of them were the same price, and there was one that was a different price, a little bit higher. So I just wrote the lower price. And yeah, there's a little bit more information they ask you on there, and so you just fill out their form, however. And then what they do is they want to see information on what you actually paid for your items. So what happened was I didn't see the pricing on the emails that Hobby Lobby had sent me, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if they weren't there, or I don't know. But anyway, so I just went to the Hobby Lobby site, to my account, and I got the pricing there, and I screenshot it and I sent it over to Shippsy. So then once they approve it, they let you know if there's going to be custom fees, whatever other fees, to cross the border, and so that you know. And what happened was with mine, there was, okay, Shippsy charged a handling fee of $6.99. And then there was no duties. There was a border crossing fee of $3.53. There was a GST fee, that's goods and services tax that we pay here in Canada. That's $3.03. So those are the charges so far. And then they ask you, like, if you want to pick it up at their location here in Canada. So, or if you want it mailed to your place. So if you're close enough, you can go get it, right? But I'm in the next province, so I asked them to mail it to me. So the mailing charge was $18.29, and that's Canadian. So the total charge for having this shipped, we'll say directly from Hobby Lobby, because they didn't charge a shipping fee because I caught them on a good day. But to get it to my house, total was $31.84. Now I know that you guys in the US, if you ship something to Canada, a small box can cost you $50. And I know, like, that's American money, and I know how much it is to order something from the US and have it shipped to Canada. It's a lot of money. Well, we all know that. It's a lot of money to ship from the US to Canada. I find it's not so bad. I mean, shipping has gone up, but when I ship something from Canada to the US, it's not as bad as when you guys ship something from US to Canada. So yeah, so I'm thinking, if you have a yarny friend in the States and you want some Hobby Lobby yarn and you ask them to pick some up for you, I don't know, I think it might, well, I don't know, I'm thinking it's going to be cheaper to do it this way through Shippsy. Yeah, $31.84 Canadian. So yeah, and it was so smooth. It was a smooth smooth ride. All right, so Hobby Lobby, I ordered on August 27th. Okay, they shipped my order on August 29th. Shipped it to Shippsy's location in the States. Shippsy brought it over to Canada. They mailed it to me. And I got it today, September 12th, 2022. So that's about 2 weeks. And I don't think that's bad at all. Actually, I wasn't expecting this parcel till tomorrow, and it showed up today, so that was a bonus as well. So I hope that this video helps you, and that I explained everything so it's understandable. And I think it's a great idea, and Shippsy's customer service was amazing. And I would recommend Shippsy. Lori Hooks had mentioned that her dad orders things from the States, and I think he's tried out a few different shipping services and finds Shippsy is the cheapest that he's found. I'm pretty sure she said that in her video. Am I correct, Lori? So that's why I wanted to try Shippsy. And thank you so much, Lori. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to show you what I got. This is what I got. Okay. Hobby Lobby. Should we do a part 2? Maybe we should do a part 2. All right, so this is just my review of Shippsy. We're going to do a part 2, and I'll show you what yarn I got. Thanks, everyone. Now the pricing. All right. So when you order yarn or whatever you order from Hobby Lobby, it's free shipping if you spend $50 or more. So I paid more than $50, just a little bit over US, $56, which is $73.45 Canadian, according to Google. I know, our prices are nuts. And then with that shipping charge of $31.84, my order came to $105.29. Now, that's Canadian again. Now I ordered 12 balls of yarn. Okay, 12, right? 6, 12. All right, so I calculated it. So what I paid in Canadian money per ball, once all those, you know, charges are calculated together, I paid $8.77 Canadian. Yeah, so I don't think that's bad getting this from Hobby Lobby, right? You know, right to my house in Canada. I don't think that's bad. $8.77 a ball. I think that's not bad. These are 3. Oh, I don't want to show you because that's in the next video that I just recorded it and I forgot to tell you what I paid. So I came back to this video. It's for 335 yards for each one. All right, I'm done now. Go to the next video and you'll see what I got from Hobby Lobby. Thanks.